Now, even though I've got another video that shows you how to remove sheet protection completely for free, and you've got 3 different ways on that video, this software is actually remarkably quick. So for $40 US, depending on what you consider your hourly rate to be, you might want to still invest in this to remove sheet passwords, because it does it instantly. So fire up the software, drag that. This is a sheet protected password. I mean, look at the password I've used here. I mean, it's a really, really tricky, very long, special symbols, everything. You know, it's the kind of thing that it would say would take to the next big bang to actually crack if it was a file open password. I've dropped it in, hit this, remove all passwords. Right, it tells me it's done it, hit save. That's it, simple as that, right? Want some proof? Here it is. If I try and type, it says I can't do it. It's password protected. Right, so that's the original. Close that, open up the one that says it's unlocked. It's unlocked it. Doesn't tell you what the password is. It's definitely unlocked though. So that is completely instant, and that's just on the Excel version. Obviously the Office version will do the same, but it's going to cost you more. You know, it probably would do it faster, but crikey, it was instant anyway. Links to all this software is in the description, so have a look. If you're interested, go in and have a look. See you soon.